In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect TradingView to Topstep, but there's a little catch. So don't worry, I'll guide you through each step of the process, ensuring that you harness the full potential of these platforms effectively. First off, open up TradingView and head over to the charts section. This is where all the magic happens. If you're familiar with TradingView, you'll know this is the hub for all your charting needs. Once you're there, the next step is looking for a small arrow icon. It should be at the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and click on that arrow. This action will expand a menu with several options lined up for you. Now, from the expanded menu, look for and click on the option that says Show All Brokers. This is crucial because we want to see the full list of brokers that TradingView can integrate with. It essentially lays all options on the table so we can make an informed choice about which broker suits our trading style the best. Next, you need to click on Find Broker. Here, we'll start the process of connecting to a broker that will link TradingView with Topstep in an efficient manner. At this point, you'll want to type Topstep into the search bar. However, here's an important piece of information. You can't directly connect TradingView to Topstep. I know it might sound a bit confusing, but don't let it discourage you. Instead, we're going to use Tradivate as a go-between. Make sure, before proceeding further, that Topstep and Tradivate are already linked together. This is an essential prerequisite because it allows the smooth running of trades through TradingView to the Topstep platform fluidly via Tradivate. Once those two are connected, look for Tradivate on the broker list. Click on it, and Tradivate is officially the link in our chain. With Tradivate selected, a prompt will ask you to fill in your account details. Double check all your entries to ensure accuracy. Mistakenly inputting the wrong information here can lead to annoying holdups or connection failures, which we obviously want to avoid. After you've filled in all the required details just right, locate the Connect button. Click on it to establish the link between TradingView and Tradivate. Once the connection is established, it should be seamless when placing trades directly from TradingView while accessing the evaluation stage and funding from Topstep. That's it. You now have TradingView connected indirectly to Topstep through Tradivate. Happy trading, and remember, practice and strategy are key to your success in trading. Tune in for more insightful content and see you on the trading floor.